Presenting our best 80 grit sanding block. 80 grit sanding block hook and loop auto body block. Excellent polishing, self-sharpness, and water resistant. This sand block are high tensile and high bend strength, high elasticity. Suitable for surface grinding and can absorb water. The scope of application is mainly used for solid wood door industry, craft conduct, stainless steel, and paint surface repair. The product, in addition to the super grinding effect, more elastic and do not hurt your hand, easy to use. Keep long time with water grinding can replace water sandpaper. Buy one pack of 2 pieces only for $0.89. Also buy 2 packs of 4 pieces only $10.89. It can be aimed at different products, arbitrary radian angle. Grinding is more handy and do not have to worry about some surface grinding less than. This set includes each pack 2 pieces 80 grit sanding blocks. Measuring 2.75 inches by 5.5 inches, these blocks features a hook and loop backing for easy attachment. Ideal for smoothing and shaping surfaces. They provided durability and consistent performance for a range of sanding tasks. These sanding blocks help achieve a smooth finish on automatic surfaces. Widely used on metal polishing, woodworking polishing, kitchen clean, and wash the pot. These sand blocks are retail packaging and peggable, which is coarse and used for heavy material removal and shaping. So use our sanding block and stay happy. Leave us your feedback. Thanks for watching this video.